Hi guys, so since I've been watching this year's Love Island, I thought it would be appropriate to share this bronzy gold Love Island inspired glam look. So if you want to know how to get this look, keep on watching. As always, I've already gone ahead and done my foundation and eyebrows because everyone does that differently, and I'm going in with NYX's Jumbo Pencil in Milk as a base for my eyeshadow and then blending that out using my fingertips. And we're also going to ignore how bad my hair looks throughout the majority of this video. I'm starting with a light matte brown shadow from the Sleek Storm palette called Calm Before the Storm, and I'm applying that to my crease using a fluffy brush. Then I move into the shade Eye of the Storm, which is a slightly deeper matte brown, and blending that into my crease as well. I'm then taking an even deeper matte brown shade called Boxed from the Sleek Oh So Special palette and applying that to my outer corner, then blending it out so that there is a nice transition between the three brown shades. With a small brush, I'm smudging the darkest brown shadow under my lower lash line and smoking it out with the lightest of the three brown shades that I used. And then going back to the Storm palette and applying the colour Sandstorm, which is a shimmering gold eyeshadow. I'm applying that to the inner half of my lid by patting it on with a flat brush. And then just reapplying that deepest matte brown shade and blending it out on the outer corner before going back in with that gold shadow until I'm happy with the way it looks. And then curling my eyelashes and applying black mascara to my top and bottom lashes. This will help to open up my eyes and give them a doll-like appearance. With a fluffy powder brush, I'm going in and applying bronzer to my face to give myself a staying in Mallorca for 8 weeks kind of sun-kissed glow. I'm also taking it down onto my neck and chest to make the look a little bit more cohesive. I'm also just adding a small bit of contouring to bring some dimension back to my face. I'm highlighting the high points of my face using Illamasqua's highlighting powder in Deity, which is a lovely soft golden shade. And to finish off this look, I'm applying a nude gloss. The one I'm using is by Avon and it's called Nude Muse.